how to fix Cash App card declined. So I'm going to explain why you might get this error and also what you can do. The first one is going to be insufficient funds. So if you don't have any money in your Cash App balance, then that's why your Cash card is going to decline here. So first you want to go into cash balance and see if you have any money or if you are broke like me. Now, if you don't have money, obviously you need to add some to your balance before you can use your Cash card. Another reason is going to be incorrect details. So if you had to manually put in your information here in linked banks or linked debit card, then if you have incorrectly written the information, then that's why it's going to decline. So make sure you verify your information. There might also be a security block, so you will need to have verified your identity here. So click on verify identity and verify everything which is required of you in order to use Cash App. And the very last reason why this might happen and what you can do is to update the app. So you just want to go to the App Store, get the latest version of Cash App, and you should no longer get this issue. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.